Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an informative topic to discuss. We'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to start using Expensify for beginners in 2023. So if you're ready to simplify your expense management, let's just dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have or you prefer. So once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and type expensify.com and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to the home screen or main screen of Expensify website. And of course, for you, if you have an account, make sure to scroll down and click on login into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to simply click on create a new account. Or you can simply connect with your email, phone number, Google, or even Apple account. So choose whatever suits you. As an example for me, let's just click on Google, allow, and click on Google again. And let me just choose this account as an example here. So let's just wait for the page until it loads. And here we are. We logged in into our account directly. So of course, once you have a Expensify account, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. And of course, the dashboard is where you will manage your expenses and view reports and access various features and explore the different sections such as expense entry, categories, and settings to get a good understanding of the layout and navigation. Of course, then you can simply start adding and categorize the expenses. So now it's time to add your expenses to Expensify. As an example, if you go here to this left panel and click on expenses right here, you can simply go and click on new expenses right here. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to create a manual one or scan a receipt or create multiple one. Or of course, you can do some time or manually create it at the distance or create from map, so you can do whatever you want. And of course, if you want to chat using Expensify, you'll be able to click here on this icon at the bottom right corner, and that will open the chat of Expensify. And here you'll be able to start chatting with some people using Expensify as an example. So of course, as we said, you can simply click on New Expensify and create a new expense button within the app or website, even if you have the app in your phone. And of course, you can, as an example, click Create Manual 1, then simply enter the necessarily details such as date, amounts, merchants, and category, and a lot of other stuff as an example. And of course, Expensify also allows you to categorize expenses, which helps in organizing and analyzing your spending as an example. So once you finish, you can simply click on save, and of course, you can even upload a picture of the recipient as an example. So even if you, as an example, click on create manual, you'll be able even to change it from here as an example, distance, time, multiple. So for you, do whatever suits you. And of course, you can even utilize the recipient scan as an example. So Expensify makes expense tracking even easier with its recipient scanning feature. So of course, you can use your smartphone camera, or you can simply scan the picture with your smartphone and even upload it to your PC, or you can use it on the app. So make sure to scan the receipt. As an example, you'll be able to scan the receipt from here. As you can see, they will tell me to choose an image. For me, I don't have a receipt right now, but for you, if you click on it, of course, that will fill an expense for you right away, and you will not have to do anything manually. So of course, as I said, Expensify makes expense tracking even easier with the recipient scanning feature, so you can use your smartphone camera and you can even capture and upload recipient directly to Expensify. And of course, the app or even the website will automatically extract relevant information from the receipt, such as the vendor date, the vendor, of course, and the date, amount, and saving you so much time and effort in manually entering. And of course, you can even go and set up expense policies. So of course, Expensify allows you to set up an expense policies to ensure compliance with your organizational or organization guidelines. Of course, this politics or policies define spending limits, rules, and approval for expenses. And of course, you can navigate to the policies right away or settings section within Expensify and configure your policies based on your specific requirements. As you can see here, if you go So the settings, you can simply click on policies, and you can even do what I said here. So of course you can even generate some expense reports as an example. So when it's time to create an expense report, Expensify simplify the process. You can simply select the expenses you want to include in the report, and you can simply click on create a report as an example, or you can view the report from here. Of course, this is going to be for personal or for individual. You'll be able to see here for the group as an example. You can go here to inbox. If you're receiving anything, you'll be able to do so here. And of course, from here, expenses. If you click on a new expense, you will be able to, as we said, create your and generate even the report from here. So you can simply, as we said, select the expense you want to include in the report as an example, and simply click on create report or generate reports button. And of course, Expensify will consolidate the expense. And of course, you can apply any policy rules and generate a professional looking reports that you can save or send to relevant stakeholders. And of course, you can even explore integrations and additional features as an example. So Expensify, of course, offers various integrations and additional features that can offer further streamline. Of course, your expense management, explore integration with popular accounting software or payment platforms. Of course, to synchronize or to sync data seamlessly, you'll be able to do that very easily. And of course, additionally, check out like features like mileage tracking or corporate card management and real-time expense tracking to optimize your expenses or your experience. And of course, you can simply here as an example, as we said before, click on reports and you'll be able to create a new one, and you'll be able to do a lot of other stuffs here. So this is kind of it. I covered basically kind of everything. Of course, you can even go here to inbox and finish this demo as an example, or you can even watch the demo from here. So you will understand more about Expensify. Of course, you can even answer here their questions, so they can help you even with setting up your account and even understanding the Expensify much better. So, if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. There you have it, our step-by-step guide on how to start using Expensify for beginners in 2023. Of course, with Expensify, you can simplify your expenses tracking and save time and gain better control over your finances. Of course, you can, as we said, save time with the feature of scanning your receipt. So simply you'll have to scan it, and it will create the expense for you automatically, so it will save you so much time. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. And of course, also, if you have any questions or suggestions or concerns, you can leave them down below in the comments section. So, happy expense or expense tracking with Expensively, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.